The last week we spoke about building a podcasting website, and I showed you how to do that on WordPress using Hostinger as a hosting platform and after buying a domain name on GoDaddy. Now this week we are going to use AI to build your podcasting website, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways you'll be able to do it. And do watch the video till the end to know my secret solution, a low cost and effective solution to build a beautiful AI generated podcasting website for your podcast. Hello and welcome to TPU TV. This is Dilip. If you don't know me, I'm a blogger, podcaster and affiliate marketer. And this is a channel where I share a lot of practical, simple and implementable tips on how to get started with your own podcast. And you will be able to find a lot of information around getting started with your own podcast on this channel. So if you're new here, then I would recommend that you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. Now coming on to today's topic. In the last video, we spoke about building a podcast website for your podcast, and we used WordPress, and I showed you how you can do all of that in less than 30 minutes and put together a beautiful looking WordPress website for your podcast. Now in today's video, we are going to be using AI to put together a website for your podcast. And these days, everything is about AI. You look at any application, everything has an aspect of AI into it. And when it comes to website builders, there too, there's a lot of services that are using AI to help you build your own podcast website. So today we are going to look at 3 solutions. Now the first 2 are specifically for putting together a website. 2 services that will help you put together a website using AI. And the third one that I'm going to tell you about is my favorite solution, the low cost solution and the most economical of all of this. And the best part, you have a lot more control in terms of how you're designing your website in that solution. So do watch the video till the end. Now let's get started with the first 2 solutions that I have for you. Now the first one, which is by far the best AI assisted website builder, is something that I'm going to show you first. This is called as Durable.co. Let's go to my desktop and I'll show you how to put together a beautiful looking website using Durable.
Okay, so this is Durable. I am on the home page of Durable. To begin with, all that you need to do is just click on generate your website and it will take you to a page which is interactive. It'll ask you what is the type of business that you're building. So let me enter podcasting. Then click next. Where is the business located? I enter Bangalore. Then what is the name of your business? The Podcasting University. And those are the only 3 steps that are involved, and I click on generate website and it will build the website for me. It will take a few seconds. And you can see that your website is ready. Now, this is how the website looks. You can see that it's a pretty simple website, but it has used a lot of beautiful pictures. It has a map, it has a contact us button and a hero section as well. Now, if you want to edit, it's pretty simple. All that you need to do is just create an account. So let me quickly go and create an account. So I've created an account and I am back to the editor. And you can see here now I get the option of editing. So editing is pretty simple. All that you need to do is just click on the pencil icon, which helps you edit. And you can edit pretty much everything, including the headline text, the body text, the buttons, and pretty much everything that you see on this page is editable. You can just click on the pencil icon and edit whatever it is that you want. So I'll quickly show you how I edit a few of the elements on this website. I'm changing the text subtext here. I can also change the button and I'm going to change the text on the button, and I can always link it to an external website. I can always build an opt-in form using maybe ConvertKit or Aweber and link it to that external page. So you can do pretty much anything that you want on this page. So do all of those little customizations, and when you click on save and you try to save it, there is a window that pops up which tells you the different plans. You can see that the basic plan starts at about $12 and the business plan is at about $20, and it gives you pretty much everything, including a domain name, hosting and everything. So that is Durable for you.
So That was durable. Now, the second solution. Now, second solution is another very simple AI assisted website builder which you can use and create a website pretty easily. But it's slightly costlier than that of durable that we just saw. But you got a lot more features and lot more options on customizing your website using this service. This is Mixo. Let's go to my desktop and see how you can put together a beautiful looking podcast website using Mixo.
The second option is Mixo. Now, getting started with Mixo is also free and you can get started for free. You can go to their homepage and click the button that says Get Started for Free, and it'll take you through an interactive questionnaire where it'll ask you a few questions like what's your startup idea, because Mixo is focused towards startups. So that is why it is asking you these questions. So you can answer these questions and it'll take you through a series of steps and get a website done for you. You can see here it asked me a question. I entered the answer to that question and it is now building the site for you. So we'll give it a few minutes before it builds a site, and you can see here that the site is already built. Mixo builds some beautiful website, but if you want to go and edit any of these elements on this page and save it, then you need to create an account with Mixo. So you can see the moment I click on save and continue, it asks me to register for an account. So let me quickly go and register an account. Now I've registered my account and I can now go and edit and save this website. Something that I hate about Mixo is the amount of pop-ups that you will see asking you to upgrade to their paid plan. You click on anything, there will be a pop-up that will ask you to upgrade to a plan. While they say that you can get started for free, it isn't actually for free. You have to go to a paid plan to get something considerable in terms of some of the features that are available to build a website. But otherwise, their websites are pretty cool and there are a lot of sections that you can customize. And it is pretty easy to customize, just like how you did it in Durable. All that you need to do is just click on the pencil icon and you'll be able to edit pretty much everything on the website, the texts, the images, all of the sections. So I'll quickly show you how I change some of the text on this page. You can see here changing the text is pretty easy. Similarly, you can always go about changing the subheadline, the subtext, the text on the button, and pretty much everything. So I'll quickly show you how I'm editing some of the elements on this page. You can also edit the button text. All that you need to do is just click on the button, change the text for the button. You can link it to an external landing page. You can build an opt-in form using Aweber or ConvertKit and link to that page as well. You can see that Mixo has also generated some testimonials for us. If you want, you can keep those testimonials or you can remove them as well. It has put together some AI generated images too for you for the testimonials, so you can remove them if you want, and you can edit pretty much every element on the page, and editing isn't difficult. You can easily do it, you can delete it, you can hide it, and keep only what is important for you on your homepage. I particularly liked this section on Mixo, which is basically an opt-in form. So I'll quickly show you and edit this text and show you how this opt-in form, how beautiful this opt-in form is. I really liked this section. So let me quickly edit the text and then I'll delete this testimonial because I don't want it. So I'll delete that and then let me enable a part on this section and show you how beautiful it is. You can see that. You can see how beautiful that section has become. Mixo also gives you an option of adding your social media links. Like for example, you can add your Instagram link and you can add your Twitter link, YouTube link and everything. And it will start to show up on the footer of this page. I'll quickly add my Instagram link and my Twitter link and show you. And you can see here that when I'm adding the Twitter link has already started showing up on the footer section. You can see how that shows up there. So this is another handy feature with Mixo, and the best part is that editing is pretty simple in comparison to that of Durable. So I would always prefer Mixo in comparison to Durable from an ease of editing perspective. Now let me quickly go about changing the logo on this page and do some more editing in terms of changing the colors and everything, and then I'll show you how the finished website looks. So the logo is added and now I'll change the colors on this website, and then we'll see how the finished website looks. So that is how editing your website on Mixo works. Now let's try adding another page to this website. In fact, we'll add a privacy policy. So let's go about clicking the privacy policy and clicking on add to page. It'll ask you some information basically to update the privacy policy. I'll quickly enter some of the information out here. So I've entered all of the information. I'll click save. It is saying submitting inputs. And now you'll see that that privacy policy page has been updated. I need to publish this page, but you'll also see a pop-up up there which asks you to upgrade this because the free account only lets you create one-pager websites. So that is a limitation to it. So if you want to create anything more than one page, you will have to upgrade to a premium account. Now let's quickly see what are the different plans that Mixo has and how much it will cost you if you want to upgrade to a premium plan. So these are basically the prices for the premium plan. You can see a basic site will cost you about $9 per month, but there aren't much features in that. So you will have to go for the growth site, which is about $19 per month. You get some good features only with this plan, so which means that you will have to start at least at about $19 per month.
So that was Mixo. Now you saw both of these services, and what you would have realized is that they give you an option of getting started for free, but there are a lot of limitations on the free account. So if you really want to put together a website, a functional website, then you will need to go for one of these pro plans. And when it comes to these pro plans, I recommend going with Mixo because I found overall there are a lot more features for the money that you're going to spend on Mixo. So you can always go with Mixo. You'll be able to find a link to Mixo in the description box below. So you can always go and check out Mixo there. Now coming to the third solution, which is my favorite solution and by far the most economical, the most feature rich and the best and the easiest AI supported website builder. This comes from Hostinger. Now Hostinger is a hosting company, and Hostinger is a hosting company that I recommend everyone because they have extremely economical hosting plans, amazing fast servers across the world, excellent customer support. Now these are three things that you would need if you're looking for a good hosting company. Now in addition to all of that, Hostinger offers you a lot of features like, for example, free SSL certificates, free CDN, free caching, and a lot more which will help ensure that your websites are blazing fast. In addition to that, they also have an AI-assisted website builder. Now, this website builder is amazing. It has a ton of features and it helps you create amazing websites, beautiful looking websites with a lot of control over how to customize it according to your needs. So let's go to my desktop and I'll show you how to put together a simple, beautiful and functional podcast website for your podcast with help from AI using Hostinger.
Now this is the third option and my favorite option and my recommended option. This is Hostinger. So Hostinger is basically a hosting platform and they also have a very nice AI website builder. You get all of this only for about 139 rupees per month, which comes to about close to about $2 per month. And you get a ton of features, which is a free domain, lots of websites, AI features, and even SSL certificates and a good CDN in this plan. So it is probably one of the most economical plans that you will find out there. Let's quickly show you how the AI website builder works in Hostinger. I'll log into my account and then I'll show you how it works. I'm now logged into my account and I'll quickly show you how to use the AI website builder and build a website. We will pick the same website that we worked on the last week, which is howtostartapodcast.in, which already has a WordPress installation there. But I'll quickly use the AI website builder, delete that WordPress website, use the AI website builder and show you how to build a website. So when I click on change to Hostinger builder, it should take me to the AI website builder. So let me quickly do that. And you can see here, it has taken me to a page where it says, let's AI create you a website in minutes. It'll ask me a few information, which is some information about my site. So I'll quickly enter all of that information in here, which is a brand name, the website title, type and all of those things, I'll just quickly select the options and enter all of that information. And then we'll quickly see how Hostinger puts together a website for us. I'll fast forward it and then come back when the website is set up. And now finally Hostinger has put together a website for us. Now what you can immediately see on this website is that the entire interface is completely different from the previous two interfaces that I showed you. On this page, everything is clickable and you can directly edit it on the page, which means it is a WYSIWYG kind of an editor where you can click on things and change anything that you want. So the section settings help you adjust things on the section. You can change the background color, the image, the layout, and a lot of those things. But I'll show you some very handy features in terms of editing on this AI website builder. First one is in the amount of sections that are available for you. There are a variety of sections that you can add to your website. It can be blog, it can be social media, pictures from Instagram. So there are a lot of these options that are available that you can add to your website in just a few clicks. Now let me show you how to add a page to this website. We will add a privacy policy to this website. There is already 2 pages that are appearing on the website. So we'll quickly go and add a privacy policy. And I'll show you how to customize the privacy policy details so that the page appears. You can see that the privacy policy in there, the page settings are there. So you can, if there is anything that you want to change in terms of the settings, you can always go do that. And you can also customize the page. There is a lot that you'll be able to do. The privacy policy has already started appearing in the navigation menu. So you can look at the website styles. You can change the colors of the various elements. You can pick multiple different fonts. You can change the button styles. And you can also add animations to how your page scroll and page movement and everything works. So these are some pretty handy features that come in along with the Hostinger AI builder. If you go to the blog section, now the best part is that you can start writing a blog with the help of AI, and it is pretty easy. You can set up an online store, which is again very easy. And there is an AI option which helps you create logos. It has an AI writer. So all of these features are something that is only available with the Hostinger AI builder. There is analytics also available, which means you'll be able to see how your website is doing. The SEO option is there, which means you can go and optimize all of your pages from a search engine perspective. Go and do that individually for every single page. You can see here I am doing it for one of the main pages, so you can do it for pretty much all of the pages, and doing that is pretty easy. You can just click and edit. It's that simple. And finally we come to the form submission. So if people are submitting the contact us form on your page, all of that information is also captured here, which is another handy information. Some of the general information like the cookie banners, etc., are also available, which you can go and change. And if you want to add any individual elements to this page, you can also do that. It is just a matter of dragging and dropping it onto the page. It's as simple as that. Let me publish the website and show you how it looks now. So here is how the website looks. You can see how beautiful it is. There is a lot of that animation also that is working. So creating a website with Hostinger AI builder is that simple. If you want to try some of the other services that are available, you can do a quick Google search using AI powered website builder, and you will find a lot many options that are available on Google right now.
So that was Hostinger. If you check all of the 3 solutions that I gave you, you will be able to see that Hostinger is the most economical, because for the amount that you're paying, you get free hosting where you'll be able to host up to about 100 websites. You get a free domain name, and you get a much more functional and effective AI assisted website builder with Hostinger. So if I am to compare all of these 3 options, I would recommend that you go with Hostinger. because Hostinger has amazing support and a lot of features in comparison to a lot of the other services that are there. If you go online, if you go to Google and do a quick research on AI assisted website builder, you'll be able to find a ton of solutions out there. But whatever service that you go with, you will never be able to find something that is as economical and as functional as Hostinger. So I would recommend going with Hostinger if you're looking at an AI assisted website builder. So I hope you enjoyed the video today and you found value in what you saw today. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up, because it will help a lot many others find this video and it will help them get started with their own podcast website. And if you have any questions, you can always drop that in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer all of those questions. And I can even create a video for you if that is something that would require a video explanation. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. I release a video every Friday, so don't forget to come back and watch the latest video next Friday. And if you're liking this channel, then don't forget to recommend it to your friends, your family, and your social media circles. Sharing is pretty easy. You can always use one of the share buttons below this video to share it with your social media. So that's all that I have for this video. I'll be back again the next week with another interesting information around podcasting. Until then, keep watching TPU TV. This is goodbye from Dilip. You all have a wonderful rest of the week.